Top 4 mobile feature. 1. Accessibility. Convert text to speech. Here is the setting. Here type accessibility. Go to system accessibility. Accessibility menu on. Allow. Got it. Select to speech on. Allow. And you can see a human logo on the bottom of your mobile. Go to any page. Any web page. Click on the human icon and select the text. And it convert text to speech. Second, what apps, storage and data. Storage and data. When using mobile data, uncheck all option. Uncheck for Wi-Fi 2. Uncheck for roaming 2. And you are done. By default, WhatsApp download all images from chat. It would not download image now by this setting unless you click on that image. Third is update all. Go to Play Store. Manage app and device, and here you see update all option. It update all app of your mobile. Four is system update. System update, and here it is updated. Your system is up to date.